Welcome back to another exact tutorial. Fash is here. So in this one, what we want to do is that we want to take a look at what is called logical NOT, just like the logical operator or an AND. So logical NOT is like this. Let me show you the sign. It's just like an exclamation mark. So what you're gonna do is that, let's take for instance, you want to let user to be equals to what? False. Don't forget, all these things return true or false conditions. Okay, so if you have let user is false. So if user is not false, the person should be able to log in, right? So if user is not what? False. I know this is a bit logical. I just want to ensure that you're able to. Let's reason along. So console.log console.log you can log in and proceed. All right, so what I want you to understand in there is that this user is false. So this not means not false. So if the user is not false, that means that person will be able to log in. So that's just it. So if it is false, let's have an else statement. Console.log you cannot log in. You cannot log in. Try creating an account. Creating an account. All right, so look at this. Let's look at this scenario. All right, so let me press F12. Oh, I don't know why it's not coming up. Okay, good. You can log in and proceed because the user is not false. So if I change this thing to true now, if you look at this, that means this user is true. That means this user will now be not true. So that means you cannot log in and try again. Okay, you cannot log in. Try creating an account. So most times the moment you use this at the back of your variable, it changes it from what it is to another thing. This is true, it changes to the opposite, not true. That's why we have this. So if this is false, it means it's going to change that not false, which is going to be true. All right, so that's exactly what I want you to understand. Not logical operator changes the value to the opposite. Okay, thank you, and this is where I'm actually going to stop for now. In the next tutorial, I'm going to take a look at what is called break and continue. All right, before that, see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.